Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21s. In this video I'll show you how to manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to Nearby Share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. Next, you can go to Browse to check your internal storage, apps, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, collections and your recent files. Also, you can go to Clean, and thanks to this function, you can clean junk files from your smartphone. In the end, you can go to Menu and enter Trash after you'll update the app. In Trash, you'll be able to check your recently deleted files. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.